This is episode 11. The instruments used in chain survey are 1. Chain or tape, 2. Arrows, 3. Ranging poles, 4. Offset rod, 5. Line ranger, 6. Cross staff, 7. Optical square, 8. Prism square. But for surveying fields, I carry the following instruments: 1. Steel tape, 2. Graphing calculator, Hewlett Packard 50G. In the simplest survey, we don't need any calculator whatever. In some surveys of fields, a programmable calculator becomes indispensable. The third instrument I carry is notebook. That's all. I use sticks about 6 inches long and 1/4 inch stout instead of arrows. These are available in the field. I ask the owner of the field to bring along with him sticks about 5 feet long and 1 inch stout to manage without ranging poles. Also, I ask them to bring a crowbar, an axe, a sickle, sufficient number of stones when necessary, towels to use as flags, water for drinking, etc. I don't use chain. I don't use line ranger. I range lines by eye. I don't use cross staff. See episode 8, green lettering, and episode 9, first column. Let me talk about chain, though I don't use it. Advantages: it can withstand rather rough handling. Can, if broken, be repaired instantly. Distance can be easily noted down. Disadvantages: length is subject to serious alteration. 2. Heavy. 3. Collects mud, becomes entangled in shrubs. 4. Fraction of a link is not recorded. I have no chain. I use only steel tape. Linen and metallic tapes are worse than chain. I use steel tape. Advantages of steel tape are: maintains its length adequately sufficiently. 2. Weight is less. 3. Even fraction of an inch can be read. Disadvantages: repairing it is, when broken, not easy. Reading can't be noted down readily. Must be kept free of rust. Cannot last long.